Balamurgan. Next in line is number 5 Squadron, which is led by Wing Commander Ashutosh Singhal. To the extreme right of the parade is number 6 Squadron, which is led by Wing Commander Ashish Prayagi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now live. We welcome all the viewers of Doordarshan to Air Force Station Tambram, where the Honorable President of India and Supreme Commander of Armed Forces, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, will award President's Standard to 125 Helicopter Squadron and Colors to Mechanical Training Institute.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब परेड का सीधा प्रसारण दूरदर्शन पर किया जाएगा। हम दूरदर्शन के दर्शकों का वायुसेना स्टेशन ताम्रम में स्वागत करते हैं, जहां भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति और सशस्त्र सेनाओं के सर्वोच्च कमांडर श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी एक भव्य समारोह में 125 हेलीकॉप्टर स्क्वाड्रन को राष्ट्रपति का निशान और यांत्रिकी प्रशिक्षण संस्थान को राष्ट्रपति का ध्वज प्रदान करेंगे। अब हम आपको परेड संरचना से अवगत कराते हैं। आज की परेड ग्रुप कैप्टन ए अरुणाचलेश्वरन की कमान में है। परेड में 6 स्क्वाड्रन हैं, जिसमें कुल 58 अधिकारी और 426 वायु योद्धा हैं। स्क्वाड्रन नंबर बाएं से दाएं की ओर गिने जा रहे हैं। नंबर 1 स्क्वाड्रन विंग कमांडर संजय कुमार के नेतृत्व में है। नंबर 2 स्क्वाड्रन विंग कमांडर प्रकाश चंद्र दास के नेतृत्व में है। नंबर 3 स्क्वाड्रन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं विंग कमांडर शक्ति सिंह बिष्ट। नंबर 4 स्क्वाड्रन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं विंग कमांडर सिंदूर पांडी बालामुर्गन। नंबर 5 स्क्वाड्रन विंग कमांडर आशुतोष सिंगल के नेतृत्व में है। और परेड के चरम दाईं ओर नंबर 6 स्क्वाड्रन विंग कमांडर आशीष प्रयागी उसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Officer Commanding in Chief Training Command is about to arrive.
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Marshal S.R.K. Nair, Param Vishesh Seva Medal, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, Vayu Sena Medal, Air Officer Commanding in Chief Training Command, and Mrs. Gitanjali Nair, President Afar Regional, have arrived.
General Salute! Salvation!
Complete commitment to the nation is a matter of honor for the Indian Air Force. We not only excel in operational capabilities, but also extend a helping hand in times of natural calamities. Air Force is distinguished by its ability to overcome obstructions and operate over land and sea. Humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, in short, HADR is one of the major roles of the Indian Air Force.
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Western Air Command, is about to arrive.
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Marshal C. Hari Kumar, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, Vayu Sena Medal, Vishesh Seva Medal, Adi Khom, Air Officer Commanding in Chief Western Air Command, and Mrs. Devika Kumar have arrived.
General Salute! Salvation!
Ladies and gentlemen, today is a momentous occasion as two premier units of Indian Air Force will be presented standard and colors by the President. Only those squadrons, units or formations that have completed 18 years in the Indian Air Force or are in receipt of the President's appreciation for outstanding performance in operations are eligible for the President's standard or colors.
आज का दिन एक विशेष महत्व रखता है क्योंकि आज भारतीय वायुसेना की दो प्रमुख इकाइयों को राष्ट्रपति के निशान से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। केवल उन्हीं स्क्वाड्रनों, यूनिटों अथवा फॉर्मेशंस को राष्ट्रपति के निशान से सम्मानित किया जाता है जिन्होंने सैनिक कार्रवाइयों में उत्कृष्ट प्रगति की है। यह वो यूनिट और संस्थान हैं जो भारतीय वायुसेना में अपनी स्थापना के 18 वर्ष पूरे कर चुके हैं।
The President's Standard are awarded only to operational units, while all other units are eligible for President's colors. The President's Standards or colors are an acknowledgement of the loyalty, courage, and selfless service of the unit and its personnel to the nation. They are valued more than the most precious possession of the unit. Indeed, it is often said that any amount of blood can flow as long as it stops a stain on the unit's standard. The first squadron to have been presented with the Presidential Standard was Number 1 Squadron on 18th October 1968.
The award of the highest recognition from the President to both units acknowledges the rich heritage and impeccable record of meritorious service rendered by these two units. All the air warriors of the units, past and present, are proud today, for it is their unstinted effort that has realized this distinct honor upon the units.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Kamalpreet Dhanwa, President AFWA, has arrived.
राष्ट्र के प्रति संपूर्ण समर्पण भारतीय वायुसेना के लिए गौरव का विषय है। भारतीय वायुसेना केवल अपने विहित कार्यों में दक्ष नहीं, बल्कि प्राकृतिक आपदाओं के समय भी सामाजिक सहायता का दायित्व पूरी निष्ठा के साथ निभाती आई है। वायुसेना प्राकृतिक अवरोधों को पार करके जल और थल में भी कार्य करने के अपने कौशल के लिए जानी जाती है। तूफानी मौसम में फंसे अभियान दल, समुद्र पर पड़े बेसहारा नाविक, अन्य प्राकृतिक आपदा और मानवीय भूल के कारण उत्पन्न विपदाओं में फंसे लोगों के बचाव में सदैव तत्पर रहती है। इसीलिए भारतीय वायुसेना राहत, खोज और बचाव इत्यादि कार्यों में हमेशा एक सशक्त और प्रभावी बल मानी गई है। विषम परिस्थितियों के दौरान मानवीय सहायता और राहत, जिसे संक्षेप में HADR कहा जाता है, भारतीय वायुसेना की बहुआयामी भूमिकाओं में से एक है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief of the Air Staff is about to arrive.
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanoa, Param Vishesh Seva Medal, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, Youth Seva Medal, Vayu Sena Medal, Adi Khom, Chief of the Air Staff, has arrived.
General Salute! Champion! Just! Front!
We now await the arrival of Shri C. Vidyasagar Rao, the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu. Shri C. Vidyasagar Rao was born on 12th February 1942 in Karimnagar, Hyderabad. After obtaining BSc, he secured LLB from the Law College of Osmania University and started law practice in 1973. He has been politically active since his student days. Prior to becoming a member of parliament, he was elected thrice to the Legislative Assembly of Undivided Andhra Pradesh in 1985, 1989 and 1994 from Metapalli Assembly constituency in Karimnagar district. Shri Vidyasagar Rao was elected to the 12th Lok Sabha from Karimnagar constituency in 1998 for the first time. He was re-elected to the 13th Lok Sabha from the same constituency. Shri Vidyasagar Rao has served as Union Minister of State for Home Affairs and subsequently as Union Minister of State for Commerce and Industry in the government led by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Shri C. Vidyasagar Rao, has arrived.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade now awaits the arrival of the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, who will review the ceremonial parade.
वह समय आ गया है जिसका परेड में उपस्थित सभी वायु सैनिकों को बेसब्री से इंतजार था। आज उन्हें यह अवसर मिला है कि वह सुप्रीम कमांडर के समक्ष ड्रिल के माध्यम से अपने संयम, अनुशासन तथा समन्वय का प्रदर्शन कर सकें।
Ladies and gentlemen, we request you all to rise on the arrival and departure of the Honorable President and also when the Rashtra salute is presented to him. Please note that the national anthem will be played at the time of the Rashtra salute. All present are to rise and stand in attention.
देवियों और सज्जनों, हम आपको याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि राष्ट्रपति के आगमन और प्रस्थान करते समय परेड उन्हें राष्ट्र सैल्यूट देगी और वायुसेना बैंड राष्ट्रगान की धुन बजाएगा। अतः आप सभी उस दौरान सावधान में खड़े हो जाएं।
At this time, 3 Mi-17 V5 helicopters of 109 helicopter unit will fly past the dais in a wick formation, trailing the tricolor and the ensign of the Indian Air Force. The formation will run in from right to left and is led by Wing Commander Ashok Kumar, Vayusena Medal.
अतिथि गणों, हम आपको अवगत कराना चाहेंगे कि 3 Mi-17 V5 डायस के थाने छोर से हमारा तिरंगा फहराते हुए राष्ट्रपति को सलामी देंगे। इन Mi-17 V5 का नेतृत्व विंग कमांडर अशोक कुमार, वायुसेना मेडल कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable President of India is about to arrive.
Front! South!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, has arrived.
Front! Front se salute! Salvation! आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable President will now review the parade.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, माननीय राष्ट्रपति अब परेड का निरीक्षण करेंगे।
A man of humble origin, the President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, was born in the village of Merathi in Birbhum district of West Bengal on 11th December 1935. A powerful orator and scholar, Shri Mukherjee's intellectual and political prowess, as well as remarkable knowledge of international relations and financial affairs, are widely admired. He is a man of unparalleled experience in governance, with the rare distinction of having served at different times as Foreign, Defense, Commerce, and Finance Minister in the Union Cabinet.
Parade Adjutant Flight Lieutenant Govindan Pandian. Number 1 Squadron is commanded by Wing Commander Sanjay Kumar. Number 2 Squadron is led by Wing Commander Prakash Chandra Das. Number 3 Squadron is commanded by Wing Commander Shakti Singh Bisht. Nishan Toli of 125 Helicopter Squadron is led by Squadron Leader Tarun Dagar. Air Force Band is led by Warrant Officer C.K. Pratihar. Number 4 Squadron is commanded by Wing Commander Sendur Pandi Balamurgan. Nishan Toli of MTI is led by Wing Commander Charles Clement. Number 5 Squadron is commanded by Wing Commander Ashutosh Singhal. Number 6 Squadron is led by Wing Commander Ashish Prayagi.
श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी की अध्ययन में गहरी रुचि है। आपने भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था और राष्ट्र निर्माण के ऊपर कई पुस्तकें लिखी हैं। भारत जैसे शक्तिशाली और बहुदलीय प्रजातांत्रिक देश में जटिल राष्ट्रीय समस्याओं को सुलझाने हेतु विभिन्न राजनीतिक दलों के बीच सहमति स्थापित करने का कार्य आपने कई बार सफलतापूर्वक निभाया है, जिसकी सर्वत्र प्रशंसा हुई है। 5 दशकों से भी अधिक समय के लिए संसद और सरकार की तरफ से राष्ट्र के लिए विशिष्ट सेवाएं अदा करने वाले श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी ने 25 जुलाई 2012 को भारत के 13वें राष्ट्रपति के रूप में अपना पदभार ग्रहण किया।
अलंकरण आरंभ करने की आज्ञा दे श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, the standards will be uncased prior to being awarded to the two units.
निशान जो एक सम्मान का प्रतीक हैं, भारतीय वायुसेना को पहली बार भारत के प्रथम राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद द्वारा 1 अप्रैल 1954 को राष्ट्र के लिए की गई गरिमामयी सेवाओं के उपलक्ष्य में प्रदान किया गया। इसीलिए निशान का सम्मान सर्वोपरि है और यह निशान खास मौकों पर बड़े सम्मान और शान शौकत से प्रदर्शित किया जाता है। 1 अप्रैल 1954 को राष्ट्रपति के निशान से सम्मानित होने के साथ साथ यह दिन वायुसेना के इतिहास में एक और उल्लेखनीय महत्व रखता है, क्योंकि इसी दिन भारतीय मूल के एयर मार्शल सुब्रतो मुखर्जी भारतीय वायुसेना के प्रथम भारतीय कमांडर इन चीफ नियुक्त किए गए।
Made of the finest Indian handspun silk, the President's standard is carried on a 7-foot staff of seasoned ash wood. 7-inch gold-plated metal crest comprising 4 Ashoka lions mounted on 2 Himalayan eagles form the head of staff. The field of the standards is of Air Force blue with a border of Ashoka leaves and lotus flowers in a suitable arrangement containing the unit crest. On the 8 scrolls adorning either side of the crest are emblazoned the battle honors of the squadron. The cord of the staff, being light and deep blue silk, is interwoven with gold thread.
125 हेलीकॉप्टर स्क्वाड्रन का प्रतीक चिन्ह एक निश्चित ढांचे में बना है, जिसमें अस्त्रों से लैस एक मी-35 का स्पष्ट चित्र है और लाल रंग के 3 त्रिभुज अंकित हैं। ये तीनों त्रिभुज 120 डिग्री के अंतर के साथ एक नीले रंग के घेरे में बनाए गए हैं। प्रतीक चिन्ह में अंकित नीले रंग का घेरा भारतीय वायुसेना द्वारा सुरक्षित विस्तृत हवाई क्षेत्र का प्रतीक है, जबकि लाल रंग के तीनों त्रिभुज भारतीय थल सेना के साथ स्क्वाड्रन के अटूट समन्वय के संकेत स्वरूप बनाए गए हैं। इस चिन्ह के निचले हिस्से की सुनहरी पट्टी में यूनिट का आदर्श वाक्य है, बलिदानम वीरस्य भूषणम, अर्थात बलिदान वीरों का आभूषण है।
The crest of Mechanical Training Institute comprises of a standard frame with the center roundel encompassing mechanical work tools embossed over the Himalayan eagle and a lit lamp above the tools. The golden scroll at the bottom of the crest is inscribed with the unit's motto Abhyasaha Siddhikarnam, meaning practice leads to perfection.
निशान डायरेक्ट अफसर स्क्वाड विशेष अलंकरण के लिए मंच से चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Nishan bearing officers are now marching up to receive the standard from the President.
देवियों और सज्जनों, निशान धारक अधिकारी अब राष्ट्रपति से निशान ग्रहण करने के लिए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। यह वह ऐतिहासिक क्षण है जिसकी दोनों यूनिटों को लंबे समय से प्रतीक्षा थी।
Ladies and gentlemen, receiving the President's standard on behalf of 125 Helicopter Squadron are the Commanding Officer, Group Captain V.D. Banuri, Vishesh Seva Medal, and the Nishan Bearer, Squadron Leader Tarun Dagar.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming in from your right are 3 Mi-35 helicopters in a wing formation led by Wing Commander A.K. Chaudhary.
Ladies and gentlemen, receiving the President's colors on behalf of Mechanical Training Institute are the Commanding Officer Group Captain A. Arunachaleswaran and the Nishan Bearer Wing Commander Charles Clement.
Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed 3 PC-7 Mark II aircraft in a wing formation led by Wing Commander C.G. Deepak, Vayu Sena Medal.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब प्रेसिडेंट स्टैंडर्ड को सलामी प्रदान की जाएगी। अतः सभी इसके सम्मान में खड़े हो जाएं तथा वर्दीधारी कार्मिक सैल्यूट करें।
Ladies and gentlemen, the President's standard and colors will now be accorded a general salute. All present are to rise in its honor. Uniformed personnel will salute.
General salute! Salvation! Front! Bajao! Shot!
The Nishan bearing officers are now marching towards their respective Nishan tolis in slow time to the tune of Air Force colors.
गर्व और शान से निशान को थामे निशान अधिकारी बढ़ रहे हों, जैसे कह रहे हों, व्योम को छूते हुए ऊंचे पहाड़ों के शिखर, वह घने जंगल जहां रहता है तम आठों पहर, गरजती जलराशि की उठती हुई ऊंची लहर और आग की भयदायिनी फैली ज्वाला सी लपट भूल कर भी अब इस निशान को झुका सकती नहीं। जी हां, देवियों और सज्जनों, गर्व एवं निशान से निशान को थामे निशान धारक अधिकारी अब निशान टोली की ओर एयरफोर्स कलर्स की धुन पर धीरे चल में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
फ्रंट! समीक्षा कला में आगे बढ़ेगी। मंच से चल! परेड आपकी अभिभाषण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
Sri Vidyasagar Rao, Governor, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Jayakumar, Minister for Fisheries, Finance and Personnel, Administrative Reforms, Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanga, Chief of Air Staff, distinguished guests, veterans and air warriors of the Indian Air Force. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today at Air Force Stations, Tambram, one of the oldest establishments of the Indian Air Force, to award the President's Award standards to 125 helicopter squadron and colors to Mechanical Training Institute. These units have a glorious past, embedded with rich heritage, stellar efforts, and selfless service to the nation. For their unflinching devotion, professionalism, ethos, and courage, the nation honors them today with a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation. Distinguished guests, India is a responsible and emerging power in a multipolar, multilateral world. The ever-changing socio-economic and geopolitical scenario in our region of influence demands a strong deterrent against those with nefarious designs to affect the progress, prosperity, and security of our nation. Apart from providing deterrence against the inimical entities, both external and internal, our armed forces have been at the forefront of providing succor to our citizens during natural calamities. The operations by the Indian Air Force during the floods in Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir Valley, and in Tamil Nadu deserve special mention and will always be remembered by the entire nation. The relentless and selfless skillful operations showcase the fortitude and determination of its gallant air warriors. The Indian Air Force has evolved into a technologically advanced entity whilst safeguarding the sovereignty of our nation. The resilience and tenacity displayed by the air warriors is worthy of emulation by the youth of our country. The 125 Helicopter Squadron, since its formation in November 1983, has enhanced its operational capability over the years. The squadron motto, Balidanam Virasya Bhushanam, meaning sacrifice is the ornaments of the brave. The gladiators have earned accolades for their valor and strike capabilities when deployed internally as well as abroad. The Sobriks, Mudali and Mamba are two such accolades earned by the squadron during the overseas operations. When deployed under the United Nations flag in Sierra Leone, the gladiators were instrumental in securing the release of 232 captured Indian Army personnel. In January 2016, the squadron played a stellar role in confining the terrorists to a restricted area during the terror attack on Air Force Station, Pathankot, thereby reducing the casualties. The gladiators have stood the test of time by rising to the myriad challenges in times of need. The Mechanical Training Institute at Air Force Station Tamram is the old Technical Training Institute of the Indian Air Force. The institute, raised in 1935, has undergone changes in nomenclature as well as locations over the years and was rechristened as Mechanical Training Institutes in 1980. The unit imparts fundamental technical training in aircraft maintenance and servicing to the young recruits in mechanical aviation trades. The tradesmen so trained are the backbone of the maintenance arm of the Indian Air Force, ensuring the operational capability and effectiveness. The training imparted and the ethos installed at the Institute empowers the audience to keep abreast with the state-of-the-art technology used in modern weapon platform. The unit has always stood by the motto Abhyaso Siddha Karma, which means practice leads to perfection. The Institute strives to lay the foundation for continuous development of the technical competence of mechanical aviation trades. Distinguished guests, the Air Warriors who stand before us today epitomize guts and dedication in fulfilling their responsibilities towards the nation by upholding the highest standards of service ethics. I take the opportunity to congratulate all the Air Warriors for their smart turnout and sharp drill movements. In awarding the standard to 125 helicopter squadron and colors to Mechanical Training Institute, I compliment the personnel and families of the recipient units, both serving and retired, whose sustained commitment and professionalism have stood our nation in good state. The nation is indeed proud of you. I wish you all the very best for a glorious future. Jai Hind.
Brand! Sound! Brand! राष्ट्रपति की जगह बोलेगी राष्ट्रपति की ब्रांड! भारत माता की जगह बोलेगी भारत माता की अलंकित स्कॉनों की कॉलम में निशान के साथ मंच से गुजरने की आज्ञा दे श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, during the march past, you are requested to rise in honor of the President's standard and colors when they pass in front of you. Uniform personnel shall salute.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि जब निशान टोली आपके सामने से गुजरे, आप सभी इसके सम्मान में खड़े हो जाएं तथा वर्दीधारी कार्मिक सैल्यूट करें।
निशान को ले जाने की आज्ञा दे श्रीमान। निशान टोली, निशान को भेजो। निशान टोली जगह बंद।
The Nishan Tolis will now leave the parade ground and will be accorded a general salute. All present are to rise in their honor and uniformed personnel shall salute.
अब निशान को सैल्यूट प्रदान किया जाएगा और निशान टोलियां परेड ग्राउंड से प्रस्थान करेंगी। इस दौरान सभी इसके सम्मान में खड़े हो जाएं तथा वर्दीधारी कार्मिक सैल्यूट करें।
जनरल सैल्यूट। शामिल चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, moving in from your right are 3 Kiran Mark 1 aircraft in a VIC formation led by Wing Commander Vivek Sharma.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national salute.
अब राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट प्रदान किया जाएगा, अतः सभी सावधान में खड़े हो जाएं।
पत्र अनावरण के बाद परेड को ले जाने की आज्ञा दे श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, the President will now release the special cover and brochure of 125 Helicopter Squadron and Mechanical Training Institute, which contains information about the units and their history.
देवियों और सज्जनों, राष्ट्रपति अब 125 हेलीकॉप्टर स्क्वाड्रन और यांत्रिकी प्रशिक्षण संस्थान से संबंधित स्पेशल कवर और ब्रोशर का विमोचन करेंगे, जिसमें यूनिट का इतिहास और यूनिट से संबंधित सभी जानकारी उपलब्ध है।
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly shift your gaze towards the backdrop from where the Air Warrior Drill Team of Indian Air Force will be marching in shortly. We will guide you through the display of precision rifle drill by the team. Air Warrior Drill Team is a unique display team and first of its kind in India. Air Warrior Drill Team was formed on 5th November 2004 at Air Force Station Tambram. On 26 July 2005, it was shifted to its present location at Air Force Station, New Delhi. The team consists of 28 young and vibrant air warriors who have been handpicked for the desired task. So far, the team has performed across the country, from Leh in the north to Port Blair in the south, and from Siang in the east to Jaisalmer in the west during the last 12 years.
Officer in charge of AWDT, Wing Commander A. Bhardwaj, Team Administrator of AWDT, Squadron Sheetal Sharma, along with the able team of instructors, Junior Warrant Officer R.K. Katiyar, Sergeant Shiva Kumar and Sergeant D. Rathor, have been actively involved to bring up the standard of the display which you will be witnessing in a short while. Today, the team will perform thrilling rifle movements in 9 different formations. The motto of the team is Drill to Thrill. As the team leader marches forward to seek permission from the Honorable Chief Guest to start the demonstration, the team is ready to increase your heartbeats by their thrilling performance.
This is the first formation, the V formation. From here, the team will advance forward to present their impressive rifle skills in a closer view to you all. I need not mention the strict physical regimen of the team members, as the 5.5 kgs 303 rifle, which appears to be a toy in their hands, says it all for them.
Ladies and gentlemen, the team is now switching over to the alternate line formation. Meanwhile, LSE Manikandan Sundarajan will perform solo advanced drill, which is a combination of agility, flexibility and strength. The team now spreads over into plus formation and moves back to demonstrate their confidence in drill of self and their teammates. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch out for the one of the most difficult moment in which the air warriors throw their rifles blindly to the rear man while marching. Next, we have the inclined line formation. Here you can witness a series of drill exercises performed in continuation, followed by marching in the same order.
Do not take your eyes off the rifles, which are going to be exchanged in that magical moment. The team will now advance forward after rearranging themselves into an aircraft formation and then demonstrate their skill in groups of 4. And here, LAC Manikandan is back amongst us with his impressive rifle maneuvers.
The team will now move back to form the square formation and will perform combination of movements in zigzag manner. The team now arranges itself for the double line formation to give you all a closer view of the drill movements. Ladies and gentlemen, while you enjoy the drill movements, let me introduce you to the team members. Today's team is led by LAC Sanoop Mohan. Front rank, left to right, we have LAC Mahendra Kumawat, LAC Shubham Lohani, LAC Kuldeep Singh, LAC Marin Matthews, LAC Krishna Prasad, LAC Ajit G, LAC PK Shaw and LAC Dinesh Rana. Rear rank, left to right, we have LAC Vikas Kumar, LAC Kuldeep, LAC Bhavani, LAC Arjun Kumar, LAC Srijit, LAC Sandeep, LAC Rajguru and LAC D Chaudhary. The scintillating music is composed by squad leader Jaya Chandran, Director of Music, Air Warriors Symphony Orchestra.
The team now prepares itself for the grand finale, the tunnel formation, which is the most thrilling movement of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out for the team leader, who's going to test the precision of the drill of his teammates by passing through the tunnel of rotating rifles with bare bayonets. This movement is the result of immense practice, focused hard work, coordination between the mind and the body, and confidence in the abilities of self and teammates.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the air water drill team marches out, it's time now for Suryakiran aerobatic team of the Indian Air Force to paint the skies today. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Suryakiran aerobatic team making a majestic entry, led by Wing Commander Ajit Kulkarni. It's a matter of immense pride for the team that we have been presented with this opportunity to carry out this display today. Ladies and gentlemen, aerobatic display is heavily dependent on the prevailing weather conditions. The leader will be carrying out an airborne assessment before deciding the full profile. From your left, ladies and gentlemen, the Suryakiran in shockwave formation. As the leader positions the formation for the next maneuver, let me introduce you to the pilots who are flying in today's display. Leading today's formation is Wing Commander Ajit Kulkarni, who is the team leader and commanding officer of Suryakiran. Flying to the right of the leader as Suryakiran 2 is Wing Commander Mayank Shotya. Flying to the left of the leader as Suryakiran 3 is Wing Commander Prashant Grover. Flying right behind the leader as Suryakiran 4 is Wing Commander Akhilesh Singh. Flying in the left outer as Suryakiran 5, Squadron Leader Sahil Gandhi. Flying in the right outer as Suryakiran 6, Wing Commander Ashwin Bhatri, who is also the flight commander of the team. Wing Commander Ajay Dasurathi is the safety observer for today's display. The other pilots of the time include Wing Commander Vijay Shelby, Squadron Leader Ravi. From your right, ladies and gentlemen, the Suryakiran in wedge formation. With split-second precision demands peak performance from both man and machine, all the time and every time. To strive for perfection, a team of 75 technical specialists, led by Wing Commander R.N. Sinha, assisted by Flight Lieutenant Sandeep Gayan, Abhay Vinayak and Devraj Roy, support the flying effort. It is to their credit that all the gleaming hawks that you are watching today are always ready for every performance. Once again from your left, ladies and gentlemen, the Suryakiran in spear formation. The spear, ladies and gentlemen, indicates the Indian Air Force's capability to strike deep and hard with precision. Look straight ahead, you can see the leader has ordered a change, and you can see the outer members are now moving in line with inner members to form a goblet. By forming a goblet in the sky, Team Suryakiran is raising a toast to the two units which are being presented with the President's standards and colors today. heard just now was the leader giving a call for change of formation to Yankee and the members acknowledging. Right in front of you can see the members have now shifted to their positions for Yankee. Ladies and gentlemen, the Surikiran is now Yankee formation. And by making the distinct shape of the alphabet Y, Team Surikiran calls out the Generation Y, the youth of the country, to take up a challenging career in the Air Force. After the graceful flyby in Yankee, the leader has now given a call for change of formation to Shockwave, and you can see the members smartly moving into their slots to form the Shockwave formation. Carrying out that dynamic change from Shockwave to crossbow, here comes the Surikiran in crossbow for a flyby of dice. Once again, the leader orders a change, and this time to Phoenix formation. You can see all members, the inner and outer members, have now come abreast with the leader, leaving Surikiran 4 right behind the leader. Straight ahead, ladies and gentlemen, the Surikiran in Phoenix formation. That, ladies and gentlemen, was a Surikiran in Phoenix formation. This display of precision flying is the result of intense training, critical examination of each practice sortie, and the tireless endeavor to achieve nothing at the very best. The legacy Surikiran aerobatic team has showcased its skills in a number of displays around the country, including displays at Aero India International Air Shows at Bangalore. The team has also displayed abroad at Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, Laos, and the People's Republic of China. The new team is raring to go and achieve the same standards that have been laid down by their illustrious predecessors. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now draw your attention straight in front. Keep looking straight ahead, low on the horizon for the team's signature maneuver, the 6-aircraft bomb burst. The aircraft that is seemingly woven together by an invisible string to break away from the leader on his command. Let's listen out for his command. Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead, low on the horizon for the 6-aircraft wakes and break. Straight ahead, ladies and gentlemen, 6 aircraft are now in a dive. And on the leader's command, there they go, separating from the leader. That, ladies and gentlemen, was a 6-aircraft wakes and break. So, ladies and gentlemen, was a small display of the skill and precision which stands testimony to the sheer hard work and dedication of all the team members. Once again, express sincere gratitude on behalf of the entire team for your response and encouragement. We hope you've enjoyed this display as much as we have enjoyed putting it up for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a historic occasion for the Indian Air Force and both the units in particular, as the nation salutes their professionalism, dedication and untiring commitment to the call of duty and accords them the highest distinction.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आज के कार्यक्रम के समापन का समय आ गया है। एक बार फिर हम दोनों यूनिटों के कार्यकौशल, कर्तव्य निष्ठा, एवं समर्पण भाव का सम्मान करते हैं। आज के शुभ अवसर पर राष्ट्रपति एवं सभी विशिष्ट अतिथियों का वायुसेना अध्यक्ष एयर चीफ मार्शल बी.एस. धनोआ परम विशिष्ट सेवा पदक, अति विशिष्ट सेवा पदक, युद्ध सेवा पदक, वायुसेना पदक, एड.डी.कॉम की ओर से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं।
On behalf of Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanua, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Yuddh Seva Medal, Vayu Sena Medal, ADC, Chief of the Air Staff, we express our gratitude to the President and all distinguished guests for honoring us with their presence this morning. As the ceremonial parade concludes, we the Air Warriors assure you that we renew our pledge to the nation. Our endeavor will be to touch the sky with glory, always and forever.
All guests are requested to remain seated till the departure of the VIPs. Thereafter, you will be ushered for refreshments to the Pilates hangar, which is on to your right.
अतिथि गणों से अनुरोध है कि आप कृपया अपने स्थान पर ही बने रहें। जलपान की व्यवस्था आपके दाहिने हाथ की ओर स्थित पिलेटस हैंगर में की गई है। हमारे सहयोगी दल आपका मार्गदर्शन